Good morning. Welcome to the Independence Day celebration at Mount Carmel School. On this 75th anniversary of our independence, we should all feel proud of being a part of India. In this pandemic situation, we can have a feast at home by celebrating and watching from our small screen what the students and teachers have prepared for us. Have a great day. Jai Hind.
My dear respected principal, respected teachers, and my dear children, we are celebrating the 75th Independence Day of India. We, as the children and the family of the Mount Carmel School, let us come together as citizens of India to bring and to build up our nation. So let us put more conscious into our action. I know this year 2020-21 has been a trying time for all of us. This academic year has never been normal. Unlike any other years, the classrooms, the schools were empty. Each one of you had to sit either before computer or before your mobile. All our life became standing still. I would rather say that the nature is reminding us of our quality and interdependence on each other. It made us to understand all what life is about. It is a lesson imparted to us to build up a better future. Our Mother Earth is finding her own ways and means to heal herself for all that harm that we have done to her. No path is difficult, no path is impossible if our resolutions are strong. This is a time where we need to unlearn, relearn our capabilities, our capacities, and to build up a new value system. As far as I understand, the values of all value is justice. Here I am reminded of the Sermon on Mount by Jesus, where he speaks about his value system. There are 8 of them. But when we go closer to that and to learn, we can understand there are only 7 of them. One is a repetition of the other one, which is called justice. Justice is the value of all values. We, as children of God, children belong to the Mount Carmel School, have to develop this sense of justice and all other moral values which you have learned from your family and from your school. We must know no path is impossible, no path is difficult if our resolutions and values systems are strong. You know, all world is shut down. Railways, airports, offices, workplaces, as well as schools are completely shut down due to this pandemic across the world. Let us not to be panic. Let us not to be disturbed. Everything will end. Let us have that hope that things will end and we can build it up new. Let us not look into the religious aspect of this pandemic, which will bring diversity, not unity. Instead of that, let us become spiritual. That will become more unity among us as human beings. Our great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Balaganadhar Tilak, they never looked into the religious aspect. Therefore, they could build an India which has got unity in diversity. We as the children of India have a greater responsibility to build up our nation. You are the promise of India. You have to build up India tomorrow. Not forgetting about the pandemic situation we are in. We have to see and find out the ways and means how can we work for the welfare and the growth of our nation. As we celebrate this Independence Day, we have to focus on the value system that we are learning every day from our school, from our family, and focusing on the justice that we have to give first place. Let us build up our nation. I wish all of you once again a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
School attention! School style test! School attention! Start march bus! Up to the sky, three colors make us over that's so high. Saffron of the rays are rising from the morning sun. In the afternoon, the white sailing clouds that run. In the evening, the green of waving palms in the breeze. Our hearts fill with pride as the three colors stream. Saffron made us nervous and inspired sacrifice. Why for us is peace and honesty. The greatest festive light and it means prosperity. The central will is dharma for eternity. Three colors blended up to the sky. Three colors make us all saffron of the rays are rising from the morning sun. In the afternoon, the white sailing clouds that run. In the evening, the rain of waving palms in the breeze. Our hearts fill with pride as the three colors stream. From the north and from the south of this creation land, from the east and from the west, together we will stand. Let's reveal the flag that is our mark of unity, our identity, integrity, and all the dignity. Three colors blended up to the sky. Three colors make us soar that's up high. Saffron of the rays are rising from the morning sun. In the afternoon, the white sailing clouds that run. In the evening, the green of waving palms in the breeze.
Yes, students, parents, and my dear friends. Today we celebrate India's 75th Independence Day. It gives us a long memory of a long history of our freedom struggle and our long sacrifice. To enjoy today with this freedom, our forefathers have sacrificed a lot. In the pages of history in 1498, first European invasion to our country by Portugal. Then comes Dutch, French, finally English, completely conquered our country. They came for business, but they bought us nothing. They saw it is easy, business terms. We are not united, divided into caste, religion, culture, many things. We divided. They can see that we are divided. That is why easily they bought us. They looted our country. They gave nothing. That's why our freedom struggle warriors, they weren't first united. That's why this unity became our freedom struggles backbone. People came for one voice, that for India. India is my motherland, I need freedom. That was their dream. For that only they fought. For that they forsake their caste, religion, their culture, everything they sacrificed. They gave freedom to us. Today we salute them. If they are known or unknown, if they are famous or not famous, we salute, we bow our head to them. We say that nobody cannot change name from our heart. We keep their history. We live their history and dreams. Jai Hind.
I am Debopriya Bose from class 7. I am the student of Mount Carmel School, and with respect to all my teachers and my elders, I would like to recite a Bengali poem named Potakar Panch Rong, written by Shukanto Acharya. পতাকার পাঁচ রং লিখেছেন সুকান্ত আচার্য। বলো তো দেখি পতাকার মধ্যে কটি রং আছে? শিক্ষক এসে শুধালেন হেসে দ্বিতীয় শ্রেণীর কাছে। একসাথে মিলে সব ছেলে বলে চিৎকার করে জোরে, তিনটি বর্ণ রয়েছে মোদের জাতীয় পতাকা জুড়ে। শ্রেণীর পেছনে বেঞ্চের কোণে শিশু ছিল এক বসে, পতাকার মাঝে পাঁচ রং আছে বলল সে মৃদু ভাষে। শ্রেণীর পেছনে বেঞ্চের কোণে শিশু ছিল এক বসে, পতাকার মাঝে পাঁচ রং আছে বলল সে মৃদু ভাষে। কথা তার শুনে বাকি শিশুগণ হেসে খায় লুটোপুটি। শিক্ষক রেগে বলেন হেকে, বোঝাও কি করে পাঁচটি? মাথা নিচু করে ভয়ার্থ স্বরে সরল শিশুটি বলে, ওপরে গেরুয়া মাঝখানে সাদা সবুজ আছে তার তলে, আর আছে একা গোলাকার চাকা নীল রং আছে। শিক্ষক বলে এটিকে ধরলে তবুও হচ্ছে চারটা। অবোধ শিশুটি বলল তখন রং আছে আরো এক, লাল লাল ছোপ দাগ দেখা যায় ওই পতাকার মাঝে। বাবাকে যখন আনলেন ওরা কফিনের ঢাকা খুলে, রক্তের দাগে ছিল লাল ছোপ ওই পতাকার মাঝে। এই নিয়ে ঠিক হলো পাঁচটি, এবার তো ঠিক আছে। সরল শিশুটির জবাবখানি কাঁপিয়ে দিল বুক, অশ্রু এলো নয়ন ভরে শুকনো হলো মুখ। আজও যারা দেশের জন্য করছে বলিদান, স্বাধীনতার শহীদ সমূহ তাদের হয়েছে স্বাধীন, পেরিয়েছে ৭০টি বছর। দেশ বাঁচাতে যাচ্ছে যে প্রাণ, রাখছে কি তার খবর, রাখছে কি তার খবর। নমস্কার।
We pay salute to all the Indian soldiers who are at their duty sacrificing their happiness and family for only one case, to keep us safe from the rebel destroying the peace of our nation. Amidst all climatic conditions, surviving only to keep us safe. We are really very proud of you, and a big salute to you all. So it's well said, our flag does not fly because the winds move it. It flies with the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it. Jai Hind.
जा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पे लुटाए जा, कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पे लुटाए जा। फिर भी तू न डर, उड़ा के दुश्मनों का सर, जो वतन बढ़ाए जा, तू शेर हिंद आगे बढ़, मरने से फिर भी तू न डर, उड़ा के दुश्मनों का सर, जो वतन बढ़ाए जा, कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पे लुटाए जा। हमें निशान संभाल के, लाल किले पे गाड़ के, लहराए जा लहराए जा, चलो दिल्ली पुकार के, हमें निशान संभाल के, लाल किले पे गाड़ के, लहराए जा लहराए जा, कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पे लुटाए जा, कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पे लुटाए जा।
To see you working tirelessly in the service of the nation. You are there, that's why we are courageous enough to fight a war against this invisible enemy. A big salute to you warriors and with massive respect. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, my name is Arman Shen from the class 7 section A, roll number 3, and I am the student from the school Mount Carmel, and today I am going to tell some lines about our freedom fighters. A free India, that was your passion. You relentlessly fought to liberate our motherland from the British government and successfully helped to blossom our India's independence. India will remain always grateful to you fighters. You are Mother India's golden children. Thanks to your all sacrifices. Jai Hind.
जीने का चलन, इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। ऐ वतन ऐ वतन ऐ वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। ऐ वतन ऐ वतन ऐ वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन।
And also I want to invite our Father Albert to
First of all, I would like to express my heartiest thanks to my school, our principal, our vice principal, and all the teachers, those who have always supported and encouraged me. It is the result of their efforts that I have got such a high percentage. I want to become a doctor in the future, and I know I will succeed, and I will make my school feel proud of me. Thank you.
Sure. First of all, I would like to acknowledge my school, father principal and vice principal, and all the teachers for providing me the necessary guidance, and it is the result of their work, hard work, that I was able to score such a high percentage. In my future, I would like to pursue engineering, and I will make my school feel proud of me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditi Sarkar and I am from class 10. Today I am presenting myself as Bharat Mata, also known as the Mother India. I was captured by British and they ruled over me for 200 years, and I got independence on 15th August 1947. But today I am very sad to see that some of my children are fighting with each other to divide me on the basis of caste, religion, etc. And I want to say you all that a country is not a country if there is no love among each other. So keep loving each other, stay home, stay safe. Vande Mataram. Thank you.
My name is Ali Basha, Class 2, Section B, Logic Tales. I am Indian First, written by Dr. Gautam Bhatt. Comes from land of says, with culture from apes. I know value of zero, my soldiers are my hero. The mightiest fate of course, I love my country most. With the golden stripe, I will take you to new heights. Not Pandit, not Jit. I am Indian First, Gentlemen.
Hello everyone. First of all, Happy Independence to all. I am Aditi Roy from class 10 and today I am very proud to speak about the beautiful lady whose name is written with the golden letters, who stays in the heart of every Indian. She is Rani Lakshmi Bai, also known as Manikarnika or Jhansi ki Rani. She was born on 19 November 1835. She was a daughter of Monopat Tambe and Bhagirathi Sapre. She got married to Raja Gangadhar Rao, the king of Jhansi, at the age of 14. She fought many wars with the Britishers very bravely in order to save Jhansi. She pledged to serve Jhansi till last drop of her blood. Thank you.
तलवारों पे सरवार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द से, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे। मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है, अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी, गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है। कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले, हाय कुछ करिए, कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले, अब कुछ करिए। ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए,
तू बेतरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए। चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया। लड़ती पतंगों में, भिड़ती उमंगों में, खेलों के मेलों में, पल खाती रेलों में, गन्नों के मीठे में, खद्दर में छींटे में, ढूंढो तो मिल जाओगे तब ताबो गीतों में। रंग है समाज बिखरे और खुल के आज बिखरे, मन जाए ऐसी होली, रग रग मचल के बोली। टस है ना मस है जी, जिद है तो जिद है जी, घिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही बस करिए।
Respected fathers, sisters, teaching staff, and my dearest students. Today, India celebrated its 75th Independence Day. We are celebrating the Platinum Jubilee of our independence. As a free nation, we are thankful. We remember the freedom fighters and we cherish their memories. Let us take upon ourselves the legacy that was handed on to us by our forefathers. May this celebration of our liberty unite us as citizens of a great nation called Bharat. We can celebrate it every day in our life by being committed to the citizenship that was given to us by being free men and women. As I mentioned earlier, today we are celebrating the Platinum Jubilee of our independence, and that's why we made efforts to celebrate this independence in a way that has not been done previously. I would like to express my gratitude to Father Marcel Fernandez Ozidi, the regional vicar and the president of the founder body, who inspired us through his inspiring and motivational speech and message. Thank you, Father Marcel. I also place my gratitude towards my superior and the manager of Mount Carmel School, Father Shivu Fernandez, who was so delighted to inspire us with his inspiring message. I am so grateful to my vice principal who arranged the celebration of Independence Day in a way that was colorful. I express and place with records of gratitude all the staff members who relentlessly worked towards accomplishing this huge task of celebrating the Independence Day virtually. I am grateful to Mr. Saurav Bech, Mr. Amit, Sister Bindu, Miss Payal, Miss Maumi, Mr. Divya Jodi, Miss Trisha, Miss Renuga, and Amrita Miss. They have been working for the celebration maybe for 1 week, and they have accomplished their task meticulously. I extend my thanks to them. May India inspire them to continue their teaching job in a way that will change the destiny of India. We have many students who contributed effortless service to this program. I remember all the students who contributed their talents for this celebration. May Mother India be proud of you. May you, as citizens, contribute towards the development of India, our country. We have been assisted technically by two important persons who have been doing the work of shooting and other technical jobs, Srijanda and Mr. Joy. I thank them for their timely assistance and guidance. Finally, I thank all of you who have contributed for this colorful celebration of the independence of our nation. We are at 75. The journey is long. We need to create a nation that is standing for the people, by the people, and for the people. And the people is you. It is you, the future citizens that India look upon. May everyone be delighted to see you as great citizens of this great nation.